Hello, welcome to my video on replacing the ear foam pads on the AKG Y30 headphones. This is a white pair. You can get other colours too. I think maybe red or yellow or blue, not sure. Anyway, I've already fitted a new pad on this side here. So I've just got this one to go. So as you can see, this pad, which I guess was secondhand because I believe they were like vinyl pads originally on these. This one's fallen right apart. My friend who was borrowing these, not that it was her fault because they were falling apart already, ended up using medical swabs. She was staying in hospital at the time and very resourcefully was sticking some medical swabs on, but that wasn't really ideal. So I've ordered some pads. Now, as you can see, this is ripping off. So let's just rip that off. But you'll notice it's underneath this rim. So this is a groove in here and we need to get it out of the groove. So maybe we can pull it out, but then it tends to just fall apart. So I'm going to use this knife, which is an amazing small pen knife. So it's legal to carry in the UK because it has a folding blade, unlike my Swiss card, my Victorinox Swiss card, which wasn't legal. Now, so I'm just going around pulling that, but I'm not sure I've got it. So I'm going to just get this little bit here and pull it that way. Okay, great. Yeah, so there's a screw under there, so it's fine to stick a knife blade in there. And now I can just go around pulling it out like that, and it's all coming in one piece. Okay, so that one is out, the remains of that pad. And we've got a new pad. It's a really cheap pad, just foam. It doesn't have a strengthening piece around here. A lot of them, to go into that groove, they have a slightly stronger piece, like stuck onto the foam. And of course, originally they would have had, like I said, the vinyl ear pad anyway. So I'm going to try to get it into the groove. Now, I think the best way to start this is at one of these pieces here, because I don't want to, well, let's go for this one up here, then you can see me putting it on better perhaps. So I'm going to pull down the rim slightly and get it into there. And then I'll just have to try going around. So let's see. Okay, yeah, that's going in. Sorry about this, is not in there. Okay, and now I can start putting it around on the rim. Hold on, I'm just going to reposition. Right, I've repositioned and I'm getting the foam under that lip into the groove, and then I somehow need to try to feed it round. So I'm going to just stretch the foam. So I'm holding it down here with my finger there, and I'm just going to stretch it around and past that bit, and just stretching it over into the groove. Oh, it's tricky. Right, I'm just going to do that off camera for a bit. Right, it reminds me of putting a tyre onto a bicycle rim. You end up chasing it round if you're not careful. Anyway, I've got it on there. Sorry about the sound of it rubbing across the table. And I'm just going to ease it in place, but just by going around, just trying to even it up. Just tugging it slightly and then rotating it slightly just to get it in there. So that appears to be on, so I'm happy with that. So I hope that's useful for you. Fairly simple operation. I'll put a link in the description to this knife. Got it on Amazon. It'll probably be an affiliate's link, so I might make a small percentage on it. It won't cost you any more. I'm very happy with this tiny little knife. And let's see if I can fold it up without cutting myself. I have to be careful doing this. And so it's keyring, so it's the same size as my USB key actually, that also lives on my keyring, and that lives there. Take it everywhere I go. Anyway, thank you for watching. I've got a couple of other headphone ear pad replacement videos, Sennheisers I think mainly, and but this channel is mainly model cars, little reviews of model cars, so subscribe if you want to see some of that, or some Casio Edifice watch reviews, or battery replacements. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.